In my previous video, you have seen
How to create Ramanujan magic square.
we filled the first row with his date of birth. So let's see how to create this unique Ramanujan square. Cut this formula into strips and paste on 5 by 5 cm square. Now take Ramanujan square 4 by 4 grid.
To make this grid, see my previous video.
First arrange the formulas. Take DD for day, MM for month, CC for century and YY for year. I have taken different colors for days, months, century and year. Century means the first 2 digits of your birth year. Now arrange as shown here. Stick the formula squares with the help of sellotape as shown here. DD for date, MM for month, CC for century and YY for year. Taken orange colors for days, blue colors for months, red color for first 2 figures of birth year, green color for last 2 figures of birth year. Day is 22, month is 12, century is 18 and year is 87. Now for second row, first square add 1 to the year. Second row, second square, subtract 1 from century. Subtract 3 from month. Now add 3 to the day. Now subtract 2 from month. Add 2 to the day. Add 2 to the last 2 figures of the year. Subtract 2 from century, which is the first 2 numbers of the year. Add 1 to the century. Subtract 1 from the year. Add 1 to the day. Subtract 1 from the month. You can also try this with your birth date. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.